Okay, this is Zuki at 4.5 months, and she wants to show you what she can do. Sit. Stay. Okay, come here. Good girl. Sit. Down. Stay. Okay, come here. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Touch. Touch. Good girl. Sit. Touch. Sit. Touch. Touch. Good girl. Sit. Shake. Oh, good girl. Down. Roll over. Good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Ready? For the finale. Hey, in your crate. Sit. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Look at the people on the camera.